right, everyone. We're going to look at a special one that I think it's a an important one. This is about awkward situations wheelchair users face every day, you know? So, and how to handle them. All I have to say is you keep your skirts and your pants going. Keep them going. So that's really, really important. So keep those pants and skirts really important. Let's be real in all of this that we're doing. Wheelchair life can get awkward sometimes. So that let's talk about this piece, because I think it's important for you to feel yourself in terms of what you need to do and what needs to change and what you need to say correctly for you. Talking to someone else instead of you. So you're out there, nobody's talking to you, and you're like, what? Where are you going? What's going on here? So, you can talk to me. So that's important that you say, hey, you need to talk to me. Not everybody else. Anybody else. So take control of the conversation. Keep yourself in control. Remember your skirts. Remember your pants. Keep things going. Getting pushed without permission. So they're trying to push you out or away. Hey, I got it, but thank you. So that's a way to say it, but other ways you can find ways to answer these things, but being pushed away somewhere or pushing you, when another person needs, hey, I got it. So that's important for them to butt out. Your chair, your space. Your chair, your space. So that's important for you to know. People staring. People staring. Oh, don't we have those? Oh, yes. Ignore, smile, and stay focused. Ignore, smile, or stay focused. So that's a way to do it, especially when people just start to stare you down or staring you for some reason, So confidence reduces awkwardness. So confidence reduces awkwardness. Does that help? And remember your skirt and your pants. Remember? So be careful. Be careful. You're so inspiring. Oh my God, aren't they? Comments. So you're so inspiring to the wheelchair user. Sometimes you don't know what to say and from this dumb mention, but all you can say is something like, I appreciate that, or move on. I appreciate that, I move on. You choose how to respond. You choose how to respond on this. Really, really. So think about those. Blocked spaces, and don't we really love these. Excuse me, coming through. Excuse me, coming through. So sometimes you have to do that. You have to move yourself, you know. So speak up clearly. Speak up. Don't forget your pants and your skirts. Personal questions. Where did I go? Whoops. There we go. Personal personal questions. I keep that personal. Sometimes you have to say that. Sorry, I have that personal. Sorry, it's personal. You know? No, sorry, I can't do that. So, you know, you control your story. You control your story, you control your conversation, you control what you feel is right. So, you know, what controls, you know, that is just yours, your space. So really important. You control your story. Personal moments, you know. I've had times where I didn't know what to say. Yep, that can happen. And that's okay. You know, and sometimes people do look at me like, what? What? You know, so sometimes you have to look at the situation, you know. So I didn't know what to say, and sometimes that can happen. You can change your comment completely. All right. So another comment. So just to see one thought for you. What's an awkward moment you've had? And drop it below. Drop it below. See if it might be good to share. What's an awkward moment you've had or heard? You know, share it. The crazy things we've heard. The crazy stuff. So really important keeping our skirts and our pants together no matter what. Because some people just get out of it. So it's just not worth it. It's just not part of my part, you know, not my buzz. You know, it's not part of me. You know, it's not my need. So sometimes we really just have to be patient with people who just can't do it. Just get out in the place where you just get to move it. Just move it, buddy. So it's just not part of this crazy situations where some people either get so they're gonna look at you like, oh, you're the best and blah blah blah, and come on, really. So it's time for them to think about people just people are people. That's important. People are people. That's it. Whether you have a wheelchair or you have a walker or you have or you have nothing, it really. So it's just about talking about each other and taking care about each other, and that's all a bit. That's all about. That's all about being about people. So think about it for a little while about what is gonna make make true for you. Make something clear that is for you. What is your you know your personal, what is your you know s- staying, what is your idea for you, what is fixed for you, that you say, yes, this is who I am. This is who I am, and this is who I am not. And what kind of things you want them to just butt out, and to treat me like a regular person that's going to the store or wherever you're just doing your thing. So, this is something to think about it and see. Think about who you are. I have ideas, but who are you as the person with a skirt or with a pants? What do you feel that is clear for you? So, anyhow, um, share. See what thinks, what what feels, what makes sense.